Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and have done all the previous work given tasks related to chapter percentage. Now today I am going to start an objective type exercise of chapter number 4 percentage. You have all done all the topics related to percentage in chapter number 4. Now we are going to start objective type exercise. So open your booklet, page number 62. Let's start the exercise. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. Percentage is a special fraction with denominator dash. Means when you will convert the percentage into fraction, then what should be the denominator? You have to write that number. Number 2. 3.52 expressed as a percentage is equal to dash. When you will convert 3.52 as a percentage, then what will be the answer? Number 3, 80% expressed in its lowest form of fraction is. Firstly, you will convert this 80% to in the form of fraction. Then you will find the lowest form of that fraction by checking the common table. Number 4, 12% of rupees 900 equal to rupees dash. Firstly, you will convert this 12% into fraction. Like percentage sign will be converted as a denominator 100 multiplied by 900. Then after checking the common table, you will get the answer. Number 5, 38% expressed as a fraction is. Convert this 38% as a fraction. Convert this percentage sign as a denominator 100, then write the fraction. Now question number 2 is, state whether the following are true or false. Number 1, 13.8% as a decimal is equal to 138.0 dash. Means when you will convert this 13.8% as a decimal, you will convert this number as a decimal, then whether your answer is 138.0, whether this one is correct or incorrect. Number 2, in number 2 there is a mistake, and sorry for this. This is not is, this word is if. This word is if. If Salim got 8 out of 10 marks in maths, then the percentage of his marks in 8%. Means 8 marks out of 10, then the percentage is 8%. Whether this percentage is correct or incorrect. Number 3, 45 tickets are sold out for 100 tickets for a stage show. Total tickets were 100 and sold tickets are 45 out of 100. The percentage of the sold tickets is 45%. You have to find the percentage. Question number 3. Choose the correct answer from the given options. A part is 7 by 20 as a percentage is, means you will convert this percentage, this fraction into percentage. 7%, 35%, 49% or 35%. For this you have to revise your topic converting the fraction as a percentage. B part is percentage means per thousand, per 100, per 10 or per 100. You have to check what should be the denominator in the percentage, then you can easily find the correct option. C part is 8 out of 32 is same as 5%, 20%, 10% or 25%. You will convert this given number as a percentage. D part is 75% is same as. Convert this 75% into fraction. 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 5 or 3 by 4. You will change this percentage sign as a denominator 100, then you will find the common table for the lowest form of the fraction. Last one is the word percentage is based on an English word, a French word, a Latin word or a German word. This one was the very starting topic and introduction about the percentage. You can get the answer from there. Hope so you have learned this objective exercise and you can do it very easily, very quickly by revising your all the topics related to percentage. Still, if you will have any problem, you can ask me. Thank you.